So tomorrow, we've got no wind all day. It's winter. Fishing will be tough in Port Phillip Bay. It always is in winter. The water temp's low. For me, when I go out in the bay, I like to have all bases covered. This time of year, it's for snapper, squid, whiting, gummy sharks. So I'll be rigging up with lures and bait. I don't know what I'm targeting yet. We've got a 12:30 tide change. Rigs.
And now I'm under your spell. I will protect this. We fall into parallel. You are electric. Together we will excel. Into the next kiss. We fall into parallel. We fall into parallel. We fall into parallel.
Taking me Shimano's. So I've got a section with 3.0s and 3.5s. Down the northern end I use 3s. Down south where there's a bit of current I use the 3.5s. So we're just going to stock them up. These are my baits. Take 2 kilos of pilchards, 1 bag of silvers, 1 bag of Chinese silverfish for the garfish. I'll have to catch squid if I want to go for whiting, pre-tied whiting rigs, jackal Trans Am for the deep water for snapper or flatties. So it's a 3/8 jig. You can get away with 1/4. In shallow 1/8. Z-Mans, various profile sizes, just to mix it up. First 2 light squid rods. The squid rods / will be whiting rods as well, which you can clip the rig on and I can change over in about 3 seconds. Then a bit of a soft plastic. Then we've got a gar rod. Then we've got 4 snapper rods / gummy rod. Really have a good crack at any species I want in Port Phillip Bay. I've ripped my chairs out. I just wanted more space in my boat. Put your food in there and I've got another one and I can just move them out of the way when I'm fishing. You just sit down on them and it's really comfy and just bang. The last thing I want to mention is because it's really important. What's important for me is a good set of thermals. Out-tracked thermals, bottoms and tops. And they just keep me warm and get a really good jacket, pay the dollars. Let's go get them. Bang! First drift. Oh, I dropped the fucking dog. Another medium doggy. We're nearly bagged. So we've got the perfect wind today. The other day I was out here, we got our bag, but it was really hard and we've got a run in tide and it's blowing easterly, so it's pushing us right along the edge. Something's hovering here. There we go, bang. Big dog. We got some seaweed. We've got a seaweed, I think. No, it's a big dog. Oh, it's a big dog. Right on the edge, drop off. It's there where the big dogs are. The big doggies. Oh, I was gonna let you go too, you little prick. Fuck. Oh. There we are. Rock dog. It's not what we want. These rock dogs, they're bad news. People sand them up. They look like snapper. Look, there's another rock dog there.
Gives it a bit of a softer texture.
G'day boys, get in here Zachy. So today we're doing a catch and cook. So we just got some parsley, some Panko crumbs and some salt and pepper. We've mixed it all together. Zachy boys cut up our squid into rings and strips. What else? So what's
corn flour
and plain flour, and we've just mixed it all together. This recipe I'll put below in the description. I ended up getting a bag of whiting and squid. You reckon our cooking show? Gosh, look, he's doing a turnout. He is, mate.
I know.
Pretty good. So we've got a bit of a mayonnaise concoction here, and we just, oh, that was nice. Jesus, Saki. We should have just gone fishing.
Do you reckon?
This is your first time offshore, mate?
Yep.
Oh, was it? Tell us how excited you are.
I'm really excited.
Maybe we should do a burley drop, Zach. We just got to keep on.
Did one, didn't you?
Do another one with tuna oil. Weight, pull them down, just give it a lift. Come on, wake up. This is a giller or some shit. It's, man, it's no, it's a shitfish. It's got lockjaw. Big mouth.
Right on the tide chain.
Yeah, you'll be right. Just go, just. Here we got one.
Good job,
Hey! That's what we're talking about!
Crab.
Yeah, tell me.
That's what we know.
Look at all that crab.
Yeah. That's what you want. You want to look around the whole crab. We're just warming up here, boys.
Mate, get 40 of them.